Yay, shiny new kit. The old keyboard up here was bought, it's a gaming keyboard, so it's backlit, so the keys light up, which when I'm working in low light levels at first was quite good. But gradually over the years the keys have worn and the light level's getting lower and lower, and I'm typing all the wrong blinking stuff, you know, when I'm working early in the day and stuff like that. So I thought we need another keyboard, and I found this one. This is specially designed for old people whose sight is failing. Well, although that's not me, imagine that in low light levels with those great big shiny white keys. So that's going to do the job. It's a proper UK keyboard as well, not some foreign one. So things like pound sign are in the right place. There's actually a hashtag on the keyboard. There never was on that one. You used to have to cut and paste one out of somebody else's text. And poor old Tom and Jerry mouse mat, that's seen better days. I've had that about 20 years, I think, and it's grubby now to the extent it won't come clean. And of course it gets the bottom of the mouse grubby. So I've got a nice shiny Jaguar mouse mat as well. So bit of new kit to play with. You know, it's an important part of me, YouTube, Facebook stuff, other stuff, Orchid Society stuff. Computer's a big deal for me, so let's be comfortable, let's not struggle. So, bit of new kit, and not lots of pennies either. I'll add this bit on the end. I love my postie, he's a great guy. He walks around happy, whistling away with his headphones on. Great guy. And at the moment we're getting all the leaflets and stuff coming through because we've got an election coming up. And so he said, oh, it's the Green Party today, it's their turn to give you a leaflet. I think they only cut down a couple of forests to actually produce the leaflets. Yeah, think about it.